If you're involved in any way with the stock market, or if you want to make money from the stock market, you need to see this short but shocking video. I'm going to reveal a system that you've never seen before for generating income from the market. This is a system that's only known and used by the top 5% of traders. And that's a liberal estimate just to be safe. In reality, it's probably more like the top 1%. The bottom line is, if you're not using this system, you're trading with a huge disadvantage. Again, this is for anyone who's investing or trading in the stock market. If you own stocks or ETFs, this is for you. And if you trade options or do any other type of advanced trading, this is definitely for you. Also, if you're someone who wants to get involved in the market, this is for you too. This is for anyone who wants to earn a consistent income from the market and literally multiply your money by making winning trades again and again. By the way, my name is Eric Holmlund, and I'm here with my friend David Vollier. Those are our real names, and those are our real pictures, and we're more than happy to put our names and faces on this video because this is an incredible system that is going to change people's lives. Let's start with a quick reality check because this is something that all investors need to be reminded of. The market doesn't give a rat's about you or your money. In case you're not familiar with that colloquial expression, it means the market doesn't care about you. Think about it for a moment. The market doesn't apologize for taking your money from you. It doesn't feel bad when you're caught off guard by a surprise move. In fact, the market doesn't have any feelings at all. The market is not a person, and it doesn't care one little bit about the money you've gained or lost. I want you to be honest with yourself and answer this question. Do you ever get mad at yourself or at the market when you lose money? I think most of us have. I know I certainly have. We let emotion get involved with our trading and investments. We know we're not supposed to, but it happens. We're human, right? Maybe you've even said something like, the market took my money and I'm going to get it back. The market is out to get me. The market just won't cooperate with me. The market is being stupid. The market just won't give me a break. Maybe you've complained about the market being rigged, and you get upset when the market makers do something that you didn't expect. And perhaps worst of all, many traders get anxious and depressed about the market, and even lose sleep over it. But the market is like the weather. They're both powerful natural forces, right? But you would never get mad at yourself or at the sky just because it started raining, would you? Now, you might not be happy about it, but you're not actually going to blame yourself or the sky. It's just the weather, and those things happen. The top 5% of all traders look at the market just like the weather. They know it's not a person. They know it doesn't have feelings, but they do respect its power. Just like a tornado or a hurricane, the market can be volatile at times, but it also has calm, sunny days too. These are totally natural occurrences in the cycle of any natural environment. When you discover how to view the market like a weather report, you'll trade with confidence and without worry or fear. Think about a weather report. It tells you what the next few days are going to be like, maybe even the next few weeks. Of course, the weather report isn't always right. I happen to live in Colorado, and the weather here can be crazy. It can be snowing one day, and it can be hot and sunny the next day. This is actually a picture that I took out of my office window last winter. But even here in crazy Colorado, they are able to predict the weather with a fair amount of accuracy. They may be off by a few degrees, but most of the time they are pretty close. Science and technology have allowed us to predict the weather with a fair amount of accuracy. Likewise, we are now able to predict the stock market with a fair amount of accuracy. Let me tell you the true story of my friend David Vollier. Way back in 1987, as a young man, he decided to start trading in the stock market. In his very first week of trading, he made $1,500. As you can imagine, he and his wife were pretty thrilled, especially since he was making less than $300 a week at his day job. Unfortunately, the thrill wore off pretty quickly as it turned out that first week was kind of a fluke. In fact, over the course of the next year and a half, he ended up losing all the money in his trading account. And yes, for those of you that were around back then, that's the front page of the New York Times from October 20th, 1987. Fortunately, Dave's not a quitter, and he spent the next 5 years studying the markets day and night while saving up some money so that he could try again. He learned all about channels and flags, head and shoulder patterns, indicators such as the MACD, stochastics, Bollinger Bands, and a whole bunch of other stuff until his mind was bulging with so much information that it hurt. Maybe you can relate to that feeling. So he thought he was prepared to do battle and win in the market, right? Well, you want to take a wild guess at what happened next? The good news is, this time he didn't lose all his money. The bad news is, he didn't make anything either. After another year and a half of trading, he managed to break even. Maybe you can relate to that. It feels like a big waste of time, doesn't it? Fortunately for us, Dave still didn't quit. He did go on to have a successful career in another field, but he never could shake the thought that it was possible to make money in the stock market. He knew that the top 1% of traders were making a ton of money and that they knew something that no one else knew about. So he kept on studying the market and searching for the hidden secret that the top 1% of traders wanted to keep in the dark. Believe it or not, it took him another 15 years to finally find the answer that he was looking for. So in case you weren't adding up the numbers, he spent over 20 years studying the market before he discovered this natural phenomenon and how to take advantage of it. This phenomenon happens on a regular basis and determines with near perfect accuracy whether the market's going to start a new downtrend or a new uptrend. Reading this phenomenon is just like reading a weather report, and he's now been using it for many years with incredible accuracy. It shows you when to go long and when to go short. I'm going to let Dave go ahead and share some of his daily results with you, and obviously these are his personal results and should not be interpreted as any kind of guarantee or typical results. All right, go ahead, Dave.
All of these are from my real account. These are not made up, doctored in any way. I certify that they are actual trades that I've made and that these are real screenshots from my personal real trading account using real money. You can see that some of the days I've had were pretty spectacular. They're very, very good trades. Anything over $5,000 a day I consider to be a very good day. This particular day had a profit of $84.75 as I went through it. This day had a $49.30 day profit with $6,000 still open. This day had a $7,578 profit. This day made a $33 profit. This day had a $3,076 profit. This day had a $1,135 profit. This day had a $2,055 profit. This day had a $6,415 profit. Here's a $2,310 day profit. Here's a $1,345 day profit. Here's a $5,935 day profit. Here's a $9,080 profit. Here's a $1,385 profit. Here's a $3,927 day profit. Here's a $2,475 day profit. And here's an $825 day profit, which, hey, it beats working for a living. So that's it.
Yeah, I'd say that pretty well beats working for a living. Now, we can't guarantee that you'll make any specific amount of money, but what we do 100% guarantee is that you'll be getting the exact same system and strategies that Dave uses in his own trading account to make a consistent income, just like the screenshots that he just showed you. So let's take a closer look at what you're getting in this package today. The winning trade system includes 16 video training modules recorded by Dave himself. These are high-quality screen capture videos, so you can basically look over his shoulder and see exactly what he's doing and how he uses this system. The phenomenon revealed in this course and the precise strategies are considered by most traders to be advanced strategies because only the top 5% of all traders understand and use them to consistently make trading profits. But more importantly, we have simplified these advanced strategies and explained them in a way that any level of trader can immediately put them to use. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this is for anyone who is involved in the market currently or who wants to be. This is not information that you can find for free on the internet or even buy anywhere else that we're aware of. In this step-by-step video training program, you'll discover how to identify the phenomenon, what it is, and how to harness the power that it holds in any kind of market. What pattern to look for along with the phenomenon that gives you a clear signal to go long or short, and why it's dangerous to act before you get this signal. Why 99% of all retail traders lose money or only make a small amount of money using options, stocks, and futures. We'll show you how to trade like the professional 1% of traders that make a killing in the market. You'll discover what is the best trading vehicle for most traders. You'll learn what the Greeks are and how each one works and which ones you need to pay attention to and when. You'll see why, of all the Greeks, one of them, and it's not the one most option traders think, is the most powerful Greek of all, and how paying attention to it can make you huge profits. We actually show you in real time how this one Greek can make you a killing. You'll get proven, practical techniques to use in any kind of market to make real and substantial profits. We're including real case studies here. You'll discover how to know ahead of time that the market is likely to have a big drop, what to buy, and when to get out. Likewise, how to know when a market has stopped declining and is ready to advance strongly. Again, what to buy and when to get out. You'll see why buying this at the bottom of a large decline in prices is the worst thing you can do. We'll show you why and what options to buy instead for massive profits as the market starts to rally. You'll see how to leverage options so you can profit just as much as actually shorting or going long the stock, but at 1/10 the investment. And you'll see exactly what to buy and when. Also, the best way to profit when you know prices are going up, and it's not buying calls. You'll discover the best way to profit when prices are about to enter a new bear market. And again, it's not complicated. You'll see why the simplest trades are sometimes the best trades. And once again, we're going to show you specific examples. And you're going to discover the only thing that you really need to know to make money in the market. And it has nothing to do with technical analysis, indicators, or whether the market is moving up or down. You'll see which option to choose, how and why when going long or short the market. And you'll find a new way to trade long and short ETFs that recurs with such frequency that you could trade this one phenomenon alone and make a killing with it. And much, much more. And in case you're wondering how these videos are going to be delivered to you, I've got good news. You can start watching the videos just minutes from now. We know you don't want to wait to get them in the mail, so we've made the entire course instantly available directly to your computer. You can watch the videos on any computer. They're compatible with both Windows PCs and Macs. We're also giving you multiple ways to watch the videos. You can download them directly to your computer so you can watch them anytime. Or you can simply log into the membership area at any time to stream them online, which means that you don't have to download them if you don't want to. And you can watch them from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. In other words, we guarantee that you'll be able to view these videos directly on your computer. By the way, these videos are high quality and full screen size, so you can see exactly how to trade step by step. When you join today, we're also going to throw in some incredible fast action bonuses. First, we're going to throw in the Forex Trading Pro System course. This is an entire additional course, and I could spend half an hour just telling you about it. But all you really need to know is that this is going to show you how to successfully trade the Forex market. You're getting the complete video course with 21 videos. Again, you can watch the videos online or download them. This is a $197 value, and you're getting it as a bonus today. Next, you're getting the Inside Days strategy video and ebook. Dave created this mini course to teach a very powerful indicator in the market, which can show you how to set yourself up for explosive profits. This strategy can be used to rake in the profits time and time again. That's a $47 value, yours for free when you join today. And lastly, we're going to throw in the Extreme Trading video. The Winning Trade System isn't a day trading course. However, the principles can be applied to a certain type of day trading, and Dave uses this powerful strategy to grab profits on demand. This 50-minute video will show you exactly how to do it. So here's a bold promise. As I've explained, the Winning Trade System reveals a very important phenomenon. If you do not know what this phenomenon is, you'll probably always lose in the market, and it doesn't matter how much experience you have. Without this knowledge, you will not be a professional top 5% trader, guaranteed. I told you it was a bold promise, and it's true. But with this knowledge, you have the same opportunity that professional traders have, and that'll give you an advantage that less than 5% of all traders possess. You'll have the highest level of trading knowledge available and finally be in the winning 5%. This course will give you every aspect of predicting the market with amazing accuracy and everything you need to finally succeed in timing and market direction. Here's another bold promise. Try it. And if you don't agree that this powerful information can put you in the top 5% of traders, then you can ask for a refund. It's that simple. And the reason that we can make that kind of guarantee is because it really is that powerful. So you're probably wondering, how can I gain access to the winning trade system today? If this were a live seminar that you were attending in person, the cost would probably be in the range of $5,000. Anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 and even more than that is pretty much the normal range for seminars that teach high-level trading strategies. And even then, we're not aware of any seminars where you can learn the winning trade system. So right there, you can clearly see that the value of this course is easily in the thousands of dollars. The other thing you might be wondering is, if Dave is such a successful trader, why would he even be doing this? Why would he share his secret strategies that took him over 20 years to discover? Well, the simple answer is, normally he wouldn't. It's not worth his time. However, he does like helping people. He's really a teacher at heart and really wants to see others succeed. So he was willing to make these videos and put his whole system into a simple step-by-step program that anyone can follow on the condition that I paid him for his time. And as you've seen, he's accustomed to making thousands of dollars a day in the market. So I actually paid Dave $20,000 of cash up front to make these videos revealing his winning trade system. Plus, I'm paying him royalties on top of that. You're absolutely not going to get this anywhere else. So really, you've got two options if you want to learn this system. Option one is you could pay Dave $20,000 to personally teach it to you. And option two is you could grab this course today for a tiny fraction of what it cost me. I've decided to do something crazy here and make the course affordable, so you can grab it today and start using this system for yourself. I'm going to let you have the winning trade system for only $197. That's it. It's a one-time fee with no more payments, and you'll have permanent access to the winning trade system. So go ahead and click the order button below this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the members area. You'll be directed to a secure payment page where you can choose to pay with a credit card or with PayPal. Remember, we're also backing it up with a 100% money-back guarantee. Okay? So there's no reason to hesitate. We know that you're going to be blown away when you see the quality of the videos and the strategies revealed in the winning trade system. I think you'll agree that it was the best money you ever invested, because this is going to change the way that you view the stock market for the rest of your life. And we're truly backing up that statement with a full 100% 60-day money-back guarantee. So don't miss out on it. Now is the time for you to stop guessing which way the market is going to go. Stop using outdated and overused technical analysis. Stop following the crowd and what they are doing. And by all means, stop listening to the talking heads on TV. It's time for you to start using the methods that the pros use to make massive profits in the market. So go ahead and click the order button now, and we'll see you in the exclusive members area. And don't forget the bonuses. You're getting the Forex Trading Pro System course, which contains 21 videos showing you how to successfully trade the Forex market. This is a $197 course on its own, and you get it for free today. You're also getting the Inside Days video and ebook. That's a $47 value. And you're getting the Extreme Trading video, which is another $47 value. The bonuses alone are worth more than what we're asking for this entire package today. And when you put them all together, what you're getting is just an incredible value that you're never going to find anywhere else. So go ahead and click the order button now, and we look forward to seeing you in the members area. You'll be directed to a secure payment page where you can choose to pay with a credit card or with PayPal. Again, we're backing it up with a 100% 60-day money-back guarantee, so your investment today is totally risk-free. All right, so you haven't clicked the order button yet, so I can only assume that maybe you're still on the fence about this. I think it's important that we look at what this underground knowledge could mean to you and your family. That is a picture of me and my family, by the way. Let's think back to a couple of defining moments in the market from the past decade. From October 2007 to March 2009, the Dow dropped from 14,164 to 6,547. Imagine if you had gone short in October 2007 or shortly thereafter. You could have ridden the market all the way down for massive profits. In this training, you'll learn what you could have looked for in that period that would have alerted you to the phenomenon happening at the time. You would have seen a very specific pattern emerge as this new phase of the market took over. Had you gotten in when the signal came, your profits would have been astounding. Then from March 2009 to October 2012, the Dow more than doubled, rising from 6,547 to 13,610. Imagine going long within a few weeks of the low on March 9th, 2009, when the market had been beaten to a pulp. Again, you could have realized incredible profits. While most of the retail traders got slaughtered during this time of volatility, many professional traders were raking in millions of dollars on the way down and on the way up. Dave and those that were following his system profited big time during these moves. In this training program, you'll be shown exactly what was done and what you could have instructed your friends and family to do based on this phenomenon. You get to watch and listen as Dave explains this strategy in detail, and he'll show you the exact pattern to look for that would have tipped you off that the market was going to rally strong. You'll discover what to look for, why the decline was over. That alone is worth the price of this training, by the way. And then the best way to profit from the inevitable rise in prices. If you had followed the winning trade system back then, you could have potentially exploded your portfolio and become very wealthy during those events. The good news is those kind of events will happen again. The only question is whether you'll grab the system today so that you'll be ready next time. But wait, there's more good news. This is where it gets really exciting. You don't need those kind of major market events to make a lot of money in the market, because this system shows you how to generate consistent profits regardless of whether the market is going up, down, or sideways. In fact, much of the winning trade system is devoted to the proprietary SFW strategy that Dave developed. SFW stands for Small Frequent Wins. This is a strategy that Dave is constantly using to generate a solid flow of monthly income from the market. Once again, it's a lot like looking at a weather report. Sunny day, the market's going up. Great. You can make some profits using our strategy for those kind of days. Cloudy, the market's going sideways. No problem. We've got a strategy for that too. Stormy, maybe even a tornado. No problem. Even if the market is crashing, we're not worried. If you stick to the winning trade system, you can make money regardless of where the market goes. This training program explains in detail not only how to easily identify these occurrences, but how to identify the recurring patterns that tell you when to go long or short, and how to take full advantage of the market for maximum profits using options as well as ETFs. Alright, so the bottom line here is that there has never been a course like this. If you're not trading with this information, then you're trading with a huge handicap. This is the way professionals trade. And so if you're not using this system, you're simply not doing as well as you should be doing. As I explained earlier in this video, it cost Dave years of frustration, bad trades, and huge financial losses before he figured out the secret system. We've watched too many smart yet uneducated people lose their shirts in the stock market, and we don't want to see that happen to you. So please, if you're going to invest your money anywhere, get this course so that you can avoid the pain. We'll show you how to trade the low-risk, profitable way that will bring you profits regardless of whether the stock market is going up or down. So I think we've said about enough, and I think that you'd agree that we've demonstrated that this is the deal of a lifetime. Remember, we're including a 100% money-back guarantee on this, so you've literally got nothing to lose. All you have to do is click the order button below this video, and you'll be on your way. Alright, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. On behalf of Dave Vollier, I'm Eric Holmlund, and we wish you the best.